chances pretty high we have another silver squeeze coming. So for investor, you need to study what happened 2 years ago with the previous silver squeeze. Okay, what to invest and how to make money. Have your plan ready.
StockPulse.com. We are on location, Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2023, and I've got Chen Lin here from Chen's Picks. Chen, haven't seen you since the symposium. Good to see you.
Good, glad to be here.
Yeah, so I guess first things first here, tell us what you talked about here in one of your talks.
Oh, my topic is 99 years of gold, silver bull market. 99 years.
Wow.
So yeah, I think we're at the beginning. We may be a year, first year. So yeah, very excited. And you're welcome to come to my booth. I mean, my talk, that's tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we talked back in Coeur d'Alene, or I guess Spokane, and talked about you have a close relationship to China, and you talked about zero COVID maybe being over. You talked about more silver on the chips, or on the as far as for the solar panels. So where are we at? And since we've spoken with that, is it still on point there? Or?
Oh, it's getting first of all, COVID is almost over in China. Okay, so basically the traffic back to 90%, probably going to be 100% after Chinese New Year. The holiday, they're on holiday here right now, and the as for silver, it's getting better and better. If you notice, the International Energy Agency had a prediction last summer, and then by fall they already upgraded their prediction. Okay, they see an accelerated case, and then from the people I talked to in China, they think that's also way conservative. I'll give you some number. 200 gigawatts was International Energy Agency last summer. By the fall, at the end of the fall, they are talking about 250. And then people I talk to, they think it's 360. Okay, think about every 100 gigawatts equivalent to about 70 million ounces of silver. So you think about how many more ounces of silver will be taken out of the market.
And we're already, according to the Silver Institute, at deficit.
We already have deficit.
So we have where are we going to get it from, Chen?
So we're going to have, all these mining companies, they will be benefit the most. Remember, silver is a byproduct of other mines, like a copper mine, gold mine, they mine silver on the side. So their production is very limited. It's production very flat, about 1 billion ounces a year for almost a decade, and then tailing off now. So I don't see any primary, very few primary silver mine is getting into production. And Max Silver is one exception over here, and then Silvercrest is coming, but very, very limited. So even silver price go up, even double, triple, we don't have the production response.
So where does the rubber meet the road here then?
I would look at for $50, right? The $50 was a historical high. We tested it twice. If you follow technical indicator, there's no triple top. So which means next time we go to 50, we'll blow concept. I mean, at $50, probably every mom and pop was selling their silverware to melt it. Remember that you don't want to sell. You want to wait for the blowout.
Wow. So give us how's this year going to end up here? Obviously, it's trending nice. At the symposium in October, I'll see you in Coeur d'Alene. Where are we going to be?
Oh, that depends on a lot of things. Depends on Fed, depends on dollar, but I think the major trend is going up. I see potentially this year, gold hit a new high and silver hit a new, not historically, not 50 yet, but much higher, one of the highest point recent history. And then we will gather strength to punch through 50. So I hope we have, I think chances pretty high we have another silver squeeze coming. So for investor, you need to study what happened 2 years ago with the previous silver squeeze. Okay, what to invest and how to make money. Have your plan ready.
Well, give them a little bit of a plan here, Chen. You go to chenspicks.com, obviously see what you're doing. So yeah, tout your product a little bit here.
Right, I'm managing my family asset, and then mining is one of my key areas. Silver is one of my very, most exciting area. I mean, if you want stock pick, you can talk to Max Silver. They were right here. They just raised $40 million. The stock market cap suffers $300 million, right, because of the raise. So their share dropped dramatically last Friday. So actually, I was at the other conference. While at the conference, I used my cell phone. I just put a few orders. That's one of the stocks you can buy. It's relatively cheap, and then they have a new mine coming into production and lowest cost silver producer in the world.
Ag Silver, okay. Keep our eye on it. That's Chen Lin from chenspicks.com. Chen, always good to see you, and I'll see you in Coeur d'Alene. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Nice to see you.